Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Makita! Remember guys, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I don't try to teach you anything. I don't try to fix anything. This is for my customers that want more picture. It's not enough for them. And they want sound. I'm also going to do the video in Spanish and then voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente. Alright guys, you can see here, I'm going to show you little by little everything. Okay, everything is complete so far. Oh, the filter, you know, remember I sell for parts. This is a broken equipment. This is a damaged equipment. They're not good. They're broken. No good, no good, no good. Alright, we clear? For parts. Forget that every time you come to my store. That's for those customers that sometimes, you know, they forgot things and they come, they think they're buying something, you know, you have to remind them that this is for parts. Like a junkyard, you know. Instead of cars, I'm selling parts. Alright guys, everything comes completely. Let me... See that? It's a muffler. This is the other part of the muffler. Frito, I don't think it's good. You can see it's a little dirty. This is the... Remember guys, I take everything apart because we're going to give it a start. We're going to try to see what's up with this baby, you know. We got the handle here. Let's see if it's working. Oh, it looks working. Oh no. I don't think it's going to work. It's missing something there. Guys, you know I'm not good on these things, but something's telling me it's missing something there. It's so good. We want to give it a shot anyways. Alright, let me see what else we got here. We got the coil. When I throw right here. When I throw the flash, maybe you can see a little better. You got the flywheel here. Okay, let me see what else we got. Oh, the carburetor here. Alright, acceleration is working. Carburetor, remember, looks a little dirty. You gotta clean all that, guys. Let's see what we got here. When I throw the flash, sometimes it's better, you know, weak. On the side, you see right there, poof, that we can throw. And you got the clutch here. It looks like you got a little water there on the clutch. The place maybe to put them, I don't know. But at least it has a springs. It looks. Yes, it was good. Yeah, don't trust me. Never trust a salesperson. You know how we are. Let me see here where the phone we got. It's let me see if I can. Alright, you can see it. The light is not as strong to be inside there, but when I throw the flash, maybe you can get a little peek better, you know. You can see it's dirty inside of that piston, or maybe it's crashed, I don't know. It looks like some door there, like rusty thing. Maybe it needs to be cleaned up a little, who knows. Remember guys, I sell for parts. This is a broken equipment. This is a damaged machine. I'll show you everything. We're going to give it a shot. Enough is enough. Let's go. Alright, let me put the little light that I got here, my new invention. Alright, we're good. Alright guys, I'm going to put the handle real quick. I don't think it's going to work. Because I think it's missing the things here. I know it's missing. It's just, I don't know. I'm just going to put it for to have a good time. Oh no, look, it's working. It's me, you see? You guys up there will start laughing. Oh, Robert, come on. You know you knew it. You're just playing walls. You're trying. Guys, really, I didn't know. I'm a mess. Alright, let's see what we got going on here with the screws. We got an invention here. Looks like this one broke here. Look at that. Huh? Guys, can you hear the chickens? I know I have a lot of noise here. I want to show you. I don't know if the camera can get over there where they are now. Alright guys, we're going to put a spark plug and we're going to give it a shot, okay, to see where we are. Always make sure you check your spark plug and it has to be good, okay. I know it's different for everything. I put the whatever I found, you know. I know, Robert, it's not like that. What are you doing? Yeah. It looks like I'm throwing a lot, but really it's my stuff. I don't have that much. Alright, let's see if we got gas inside here. Let me see if you're watching good. Oh yeah, we're on top of the game. Oh yeah, it has a lot of gas. Let me tell you, it smells good. Yeah. I like gas. Don't listen to me. Alright, we're gonna give it a shot. Already know we're on top of the game. Alright, let's hit it. Enough is enough. We good there? Alright. Whew. Okay, let me see where it's on, off. Like, do we have an on, off on this thing? Oh yeah, right here. Half choke, choke. I don't think we're gonna choke it, which is gonna go like that. Alright, we're gonna chug it. Alright, nothing. Woo! Let me check again the spark plug because the chances are it's a little. Yeah, it's just a little mix of water with Alright, we're gonna go again, guys. Don't be shy. Alright, ready? No, not good today. Oh, my invention wants to fail. I don't know what's going on, but no. I'm gonna check again, but it can be a little, but nah. No. I'm gonna throw a little more liquid, and we're gonna stop there. I think it maybe can be a coil, guys. Maybe that's what it is, a coil. And I didn't try it, but I figured it was working. Oh, let's go. He wants, she wants to go, but not me. Oh, you can feel it wants to go. I'm sure the coil works. I almost got it, but I saw this pop up. I figured this is why she didn't win for this. You know what? Let's hit it again. I'm not scared. You guys are there? Alright, let's go. I don't know if I'm still recording. Yeah, we're recording. Alright, let's hit it one more. We'll check the record. See how it is. You can see the gas there. Oh, let's hit it again. No, that's it. Whew, at least I tried. Alright guys. Makita for parts. You got it here. We try. Remember, you like anything, any questions on here, if you like what I'm doing, subscribe to my channel, to eBay or my YouTube, whatever. Alright, thank you guys. Hola mi gente, ¿qué me dice la raza? Ya después de la número 7 ya estoy sin aire, ya las brazos no me dan más. Pero aquí estoy, con un hombrecito. Entonces, tenemos una maquita. Si es nuevo en mi canal, recuérdense que yo lo desarmo todo. Es una DSP 7321. Quito el mofle, quito todo para que ustedes vean el equipo como está y todo, las piezas. Trato de hacer lo más correcto posible. Ahí vieron más o menos lo mismo. Ya todas las partes voy a tirar buenas fotos. Para la parte está buenísima. Tremendo equipo. Recuérdense que yo no vendo para arreglar. Si usted piensa comprar en mi tienda para arreglar, está en el lugar equivocado. Yo nada más vendo para partes. Ok mi gente, bueno ya saben que se me una la raza y le voy a tirar un poquito más de fotos. Gracias.